We're back on the bench, and today we're looking at a new track piece. This is called the Drop, or I'm calling it the Drop. This piece will feature in my new track. As with all the pieces that I've designed, all designed around things that I like and that will fit into my new track. This can come as the big kit, I'm calling it, which is 4 pieces. It's got 2 straights and the drop itself, or you can purchase it without those 2 straights and just the drop. Okay, but it's up to you. This connects to Hot Wheels track, whichever flavour of Hot Wheels there's. I've got yellow here, and I've got an orange here, and there's another orange as well, which has the walls aren't as high as you can see there. So it's all designed for Hot Wheels track. And I'm debating what I'm doing with my next track. I've raced for 2 years on a Sizzler Fat track, and I think it's time to race on Hot Wheels track for a while. Anyway, I'm digressing. What do we know about this? It just, as I say, it connects via connectors which come with the kit, and it all connects to Hot Wheels track, and it's all designed to fit nice and snug, as you can see. So let's put it together. The first thing to do is the drop itself, okay? I haven't designed any bracing on this. Like normally I'd have a bit of bracing here, but this is actually designed, this track is designed to, let me just put it together. This track is designed to sit on a mountain or something, a structure that you would have as a hill or something, okay? And as I always say, a little bit of tape goes a long way. If I start building support structures for this, the cost goes through the roof, and that's not what we want. There is the drop itself, okay? It's quite substantial, and the cars will, if they're going really fast, it'll look fantastic. So there's the drop. The next thing to do is we just put the base on. Oh, before we get to that, so there's the drop itself. As I say, you can just purchase these 2 parts, and then these connect to your Hot Wheels track, okay? Doesn't matter which one, just connects to your Hot Wheels track and works perfectly. There's nothing wrong with it. I just decided to design a nice square part. Sorry, another section here, another rectangle section, because that's the sort of guy I am. And let's just get a bit of tape here, if I can get it together, and a little bit of tape again, sticker on. That gives you a nice solid foundation for the bottom part of the drop. And let's go to the top. Okay, and there's the top, and yet again a little bit of tape. This has all got mangled up here. Always happens when you're on camera, doesn't it? And so there's the top part of the drop, and that's how it sits. And then obviously a car will fly on down. See if I can get it a bit wider for you. And that's its whole purpose, is to, you could go up actually if you wanted to, but that's the whole purpose of this thing, is to have a drop. Something a bit different in your track, okay? As I say, this is the 4-piece kit. Very sturdy, and if you don't want these 2 straights, it'll come as a 2-piece kit. What I was saying was, the whole point of this was you might make diorama, like have a bit of a mountain here or a hill, and that's how that would sit. Okay, so that's why I'm not making supports for this. So just imagine that that's the mountain, you know, so it just sits like that. Let me just connect up a bit of Hot Wheels track so we can get an idea of what's going on. There you go. Hopefully you can see that in action. And, you know, it works a treat. It really does. It's really smooth all the way through the thing. As I say, you can reverse this, so you have enough speed you can go upwards. There's also something else you can do with this as a 4-piece kit. You can have it like this, okay? You'd need a little bit of support on this end, right? Let me see if I've got something to support it. Maybe just this, okay? You can have that as a support. And now you've got like this whoops, I think they call it in Australia, the whoops. where you have this rolling hill. Okay, so there's a bit of versatility in the 4-piece kit with having that, which I think is fantastic. So I'll put this up for sale on Etsy and eBay. Mind you, I'm stepping away from eBay a bit. Etsy seems to be the better place for this. And I'll come back with another video of some slow motion, how I think I would use this, you know, with some dirt and all sorts of other bits and pieces. So there you go. There's the first look at the drop. It's a beautiful looking kit, isn't it, really? It really has come out great. I couldn't be more happy with this. And by the way, this colour here is a light grey. Colours that will be available will be grey, orange, red, and various other colours. Just have a look at the little colour swatch. There should be a photo when this goes up on Etsy. I'll put the photos and the pricing up on Etsy in a couple of hours, okay? Thanks for watching. Catch you guys later.